A backlink is essentially a link from one website to another. Think of it as a vote of confidence where one website is vouching for another. This signals to search engines that the content on the linked website is valuable and trustworthy. It's like a digital recommendation from one site to another. Backlinks are important for several reasons. Firstly, they significantly influence search engine rankings. High-quality backlinks are a major factor that Google considers when ranking websites, often leading to up to 40% improvement in search positions. Secondly, backlinks boost a website's domain authority, making it easier to rank for competitive keywords. This can result in an average 25% boost in domain authority. Thirdly, backlinks can drive targeted referral traffic directly to your website, resulting in up to 30% increase in qualified visits. Finally, they enhance a brand's credibility and industry authority, creating a 35% trust signal boost. There are primarily two types of backlinks: follow and no-follow. Follow backlinks are the ones that pass on the link juice and help in improving the ranking of the website. These can be editorial links, which are natural links within the content, and resource links that are from resource pages listing helpful content. A typical follow backlink looks like this: an opening tag followed by the letter A, then ref equals, then a closing tag. On the other hand, no-follow backlinks do not pass on the link juice and are typically from places such as comment sections or social media platforms. A typical no-follow backlink will look like this: an opening tag followed by the letter A, then ref equals, then rel equals no-follow, then closing tag. When it comes to backlinks, it's essential to consider quality over quantity. Quality backlinks are those that come from high-authority domains, meaning that they are coming from websites that search engines trust. These links provide a significant boost to a website's ranking and have long-term value. They are also more relevant, as they come from websites within the same industry or niche, strengthening the topical authority of the linked website. On the other hand, while having a large quantity of backlinks might seem appealing, it carries its own risks. Large numbers of low-quality backlinks can trigger penalties from search engines. Also, acquiring and maintaining a huge number of links is very resource-intensive. And lastly, there are diminishing returns from low-quality links. That means, after a certain point, additional low-quality links offer minimal SEO benefit. Therefore, it's better to prioritize quality over quantity. Analyzing your backlinks is very important to understand their impact. You should regularly monitor several key metrics such as the domain authority of the linking sites, the relevancy and context of the links, link velocity and growth rate, anchor text distribution, and the geographic distribution of the links. Also, a sample backlink analysis data may include details such as the overall domain metrics, like domain authority, total number of backlinks, number of referring domains. Further, it may also contain information about different types of links such as do-follow links and no-follow links, and the distribution of anchor text in links like branded, generic, and exact match anchor text. A well-defined backlink building strategy is essential for success. Firstly, conduct competitor backlink analysis to identify opportunities. Then, create high-quality linkable content assets that other websites would want to link to. After that, build relationships with industry influencers and websites. Next, implement targeted outreach campaigns to get your content noticed. And lastly, continuously monitor and adjust your strategy based on the results. The timeline for backlink building strategy may include initial analysis and content creation in the first 2 months. Then the next 2 months could be focused on outreach and relationship building. In the 5th and 6th month, you can expect to see the first significant results. In months 7 to 12 and beyond, you can focus on scaling successful strategies, maintaining and optimizing your efforts. To maximize your backlink efforts, always focus on content quality. Create comprehensive and valuable content that naturally attracts links. Keep your content up to date and relevant to your industry. Also include unique research and original insights. When it comes to building links, focus on relevant industry websites and platforms. Build genuine relationships with industry influencers, And always maintain a natural link velocity. For risk management, regularly audit your backlink profile and disavow toxic links promptly, and keep monitoring for any negative SEO attacks. Lastly, for monitoring, consistently track key metrics, analyze competitor backlink strategies, and set up alerts for new and lost links. While building backlinks, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Firstly, never buy low-quality links. Purchasing links from link farms can lead to Google penalties. Instead, focus on earning natural, high-quality backlinks. Avoid using over-optimized anchor text. Using the same exact match keywords too frequently can trigger spam filters. Instead, maintain a diverse mix of anchor texts. Don't ignore the quality of links. Focus on relevant, authoritative websites rather than just the quantity of links. And lastly, make sure to avoid poor monitoring, i.e., don't fail to regularly audit the backlink profile for any toxic or harmful links. Always use tools to monitor your link profile's health. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.